we'll be discussing integration for trigonometric problems. Integration for trigonometric problems. So in order to discuss integration for trigonometric problems, we have to learn some of the ideas of trigonometric relations. There are many trigonometric relations which we need to know. There are so many. First thing we should remember in integration, in the formula integration for trigonometric relations, we have to do basically integration for in trigonometric integration, I can say. So here we can have some formulas for integration. The first formula is integration of sine x. Integration of sine x. Sine x means the idea of sin x is here that sin x dx. The answer is minus cos x. This is first formula. Next formula we have is sine, this one, when you are doing the idea of integration, uh, this one, sine, yeah, sine um, ax or mx, I can say. Any number is m. So first formula is sin x dx, that will be minus cos x, and sin mx dx will be minus cos mx by n, plus c will be always taken. I am not writing c. And number 3 is sine ax plus b. This one is dx, and that will be, answer will be minus cos ax plus b divided by a. Now third, if I give some example for this, like only sine 3x dx, then integration will be your minus cos 3x mx, that idea, m by 3, of course plus c. So this is the result. Now if I give another example, uh, like sine 2x plus 5 dx, the answer will be minus, answer will be minus uh, will be minus cos 2x plus 5 as it is, divided by 2. Why 2? Because if we look at the formula number 3, then here a is 2. So these are the formulas in this type. Now coming to the next type, that is for the cos. So the fourth formula with cos. Basically cos x dx, this integration is your plus sin x, means sin x. Then if you have cos mx dx, then it will have sin mx by a, and if have sine ax plus b, similar to cos formula. It will be sine will be sorry, this will take us. Sorry, cos should be cos, so it will be cos ax plus b. It will be sine ax plus b as it is by b a whole by a. Like example, if I take sine 3x minus 2 dx, then if we look at formula number 6, then we get it will be cos 3x plus 2 minus 2, sorry, divided by 3 plus c, of course. So this is the idea of the formulas. Now if you look at the formulas of that one, how to deal with the idea of your next point, that is, this is sine cos. Then I am coming to the next point. This is formula. This is seventh formula, I can say, that is sec square x dx. It will be 10x, and if it is cosec square x dx, the integration will be minus cot x. But if it is sec x tan x, then the formula is sec x tan x formula is dx sec x. And if I have cosec x cot x, cosec x cot x, cosec x cot x, this formula, these are all formulas. Then it will have minus cosec x. So we have another 4 formulas. Not sorry, these numbers are wrong. We have another 4 formulas. This is number 9 and this is number 10. So what are the formulas if I count? Then 7, 8, 9, 10. Next we have some typical formula, which is actually coming from substitution, a different topic. It is not directly related to this one, direct formula, but we should remember these formulas. First one is tan x integration. Integration tan x will be log mod, we can take sec x. And on the other hand, if you take cot x, then it will be, these are formulas, all are formulas, log sin x. Very important, this is log sin x, and that is log sec x for tan x. Now we have some more formulas which are some time required. So we have together 12 formulas for trigonometry which are all direct. Now we have some more, like 13 number formulas. Formula number 13 is not 13. We have discussed up to 10, so we can have this 11, not 13. Sorry, because already 6 and this 4, and now we are having 11 number formula. That is your no 6, of course. Sorry, number is 13. 13 is 13 number formula is sec x, only sec x. It's a special formula we should remember. This is log sec x plus tan x. Log sec x plus tan x. This is a special trigonometric formula. And the last formula which we have, not the inverse, not the inverse, last formula is cosec x. Cosec x formula will be log tan x by 2, log tan x by 2. So we have altogether 14 formulas to remember. These are very important formulas. Now, if you want to know the questions, I would like to give some questions. But these questions are not very difficult. You need to apply formula like this. If I say only tan 3x, then what to do? I told you that log it will be sec x, but there is a 3. I have not given any formula of tan 3x, so it will be log sec x. That formula for tan 3x. So it will be log sec mod I can take 3x, but since this 3 is there, we have to take 1/3. That's a very important point for substitution, because you should take 3x as z and proceed. If you take 3x as z, and that is here, if you have something else, not 3, if it is something else, like instead of 3, this is, suppose this is not 3, this is something else. So if you have this from a question to be kx, tan kx, so it will be 1 by k sec kx. So that part we can remember, kx. Similarly, if I say cot kx, this is a formula type we can write. You just write like formula, not like exactly formula. 1 by k log, it will be sine kx. It was not k there in the formula, but if it is something 3, 4, any number, then we say this. Now coming to the next point, which is some typical rules. Some rules we should. These are formulas. Rules means like first rule. First rule is sine square x cannot be integrated. If you want to do integration of sine square x, you cannot. So what you need to do, there is a formula in trigonometry, that is 2 sine square x, that is half. If I put half there, if I put half there, then we have, if I put half, then this is half, and sine square x is 1 minus cos 2x. So now you break, open the bracket, this is half, integration only 1 dx, and again half cos 2x minus dx. So your answer will be half into 1. 1 integration is x, so formula will be half x minus this half into another 2 will come, because it will be cos 2x as sin 2x by 2 plus. So this is the formula, this is a type. So we have the formula answer will be 1 by 2x. The answer will be 1 by 2x minus 1 by 4 sin 2x plus c. So this is a type. So first type of question, which is sin square x. Now coming to the other one, if sin square x we can find, then we can say number 2, special type. Special type is um, special type will be cos square x. So in order to do in cos square x dx, same method, sin square x I showed. Now cos square x will be half outside, then 1 plus cos 2x. You have to remember the formulas for trigonometry. I am writing the formula for this type. First, I am showing what is the technique of solving sine square and cos square. So, in order to get sine square integration, we have to take half 1 minus cos 2x. In order to get cos square integration, half 1 plus cos 2x. So, it will be half integration of 1, segregating the terms, plus half integration of cos 2x. So the formula suggests here it will be half x and 1 is x, and this will be half plus half cos 2x by 2, that is, it will become 4 kilometer. That means 2 2s are 4. as a whole 2 comes cos nx. Now, so sin square x cos square x we can deal this way. Now, if you have, instead of that one, if you have sin square and cos square we have understood, but if you have, suppose, sin square x by 2, integration sin square x by 2. So it is sin square. We don't have any formula for square for trigonometric integration. No square. So we have the formula of trigonometry in our normal sense. It will be half, putting half there. So it will become 1 minus cos 2x, means cos x. Why? What is the idea behind it? The idea is this cos sin square x by 2 is half 1 minus cos x. So it will become, if you segregate the term, it will be 1 dx minus again half, segregating the 2, cos x. So this half will give you half x because 1 is there, and minus half is there, that was there previously, but sin x will be, cos x will be just sin x plus. So this will be that. So this type of questions we are getting as it is called actually sub-multiple. Now if I go further, if I move further means if I take something like um, cos square x by 2. So if I take cos square x by 2 integration, then you will be again facing the problem. So it will be half outside, and if you put half outside and take the integration, it will be 1 plus cos x. 1 plus cos x. And integration of 1 is dx and cos x is sin x. So it will become half, similar to sin, half 1 is x and half cos x integration is sin x. That's all. So the basic idea of integration is nothing but the formulas should be used properly. Now these are all sin square, cos square. If you have tan square, what to do? So if you have tan square we don't have any formula in the trigonometric formulas, but we have one idea that it is be sec square theta minus 1 for tan square theta. So instead of tan square x, we don't integrate tan square x. We'll write tan square as sec square minus 1. Now sec square integration is known to us, and one integration is also known. If you open the bracket, it will be segregated to 2. It will be tan x, because sec square x integration is tan x minus 1 integration is x. So this is the new kind of problem, this tan square. So similarly, if I discuss cot square, so what will be the idea? Cot square integration will be not possible. So what we'll do, we'll take cot square, integration cannot be done. So what we'll do, we'll write cot square as cosec square x minus 1, because cosec square x minus 1 is cot square. Now we will proceed by separating the two. Cosec square x integration, this is cosec square x dx minus only 1 dx. Cosec square x integration will be minus cot x, and minus 1 is minus x. So that is the answer to cosec square, cot square x. Now there are some more technique, some more. The more means like few ideas we need to know, some few. I'm almost telling the basic ideas in this section. Now suppose the idea is